Christmas. I'm certain you saw this in the title, but today is Nadine West Day, and I have so much fun with this subscription. So I am glad that you joined me. My name is Kelly Schaffner. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. If you are joining me for the first time, please hit the subscribe button. If you tap that bell, you'll be notified every single time I do a video. And if you are returning to my channel, thank you, thank you, thank you. From my heart, thank you so much for the love and support you've shown my channel. And if you don't know what Nadine West is, this time I am going to leave a code if you want to try Nadine West for yourself. Just description box below, and there's a code that will help you out on Nadine West. I'm not exactly sure what it is that you get. I don't know why it would be beneficial to use my code. I just checked an email from Nadine West. She gives me a code to share with others, but it doesn't say that I get a kickback or that you get a kickback on that. She does offer discounts. If you order her subscription and you do a testimonial about what you received on the Nadine West Facebook page, you get $3 off your next order. And if you are wearing the outfit that you received when you do that testimonial, then you get another $3 off. So I haven't done that yet, but look for me on Nadine West Facebook page because I want $6 off my next bag. So without further ado, let's break into this. You have to be really careful opening the Nadine West bag because if you decide to return anything, you're going to use this same pink bag they sent everything in. So we have a pretty big bundle this time. And everything comes wrapped in plastic. And we have our prices and whatnot. Looks like I've got 2 bundles. This is an extra special Nadine West this time. Normally they send like 2 clothing pieces and 2 jewelry pieces, but I've been buying everything I get from them, so let's see what they sent. We've got bundle number 1, you saw those colors, and let's look at bundle number 2. This burrito is, oh, it's not all dark. I always request color. I don't want anything black, and I get it anyway. So, first bundle from Nadine West. We have, I don't see any jewelry in here. So that's kind of unusual. I thought when I saw this pink bag that I was getting jewelry. OMG, is this cute? This is a turquoise colored, teal colored, very lightweight hoodie. You see that hood there. And we've got a drawstring that's actually a working drawstring, yes, on the front. And we have pockets. I love it. It feels kind of like a cotton fabric. This is by Heart Hips. I like this color. I'm excited to try this on. I like that it's lighter weight. And what else do we have? We have, oh wow, a black and white, very, very sheer blouse. It's a high-low, see-through, button-up. Do we have tab sleeves? Someone must have told them. Kelly buys all the tab sleeves you send her. This looks an awful lot like a blouse that I received in one of my Stitch Fixes before I started filming, and I sent it back because it was crazy expensive. So, price dependent. And this very dark bundle here, again, I don't see any. I must have got 4 clothing items. So, oh no, I got 6 items. I got jewels. We'll finish the clothes first. These feel like leggings, and they're from Design USA. The leggings I got last month from Nadine West were by Legging Depot. The best leggings I've ever had in my entire life. They were $19.99. These are black with some fluorescent stripes through them. These are super, super soft as well. So if they're anything like the ones I got last month, I am thrilled to have these. And what do we have to go with it? I don't know that this is necessarily an outfit, but Oh, a little black dress. We've got a black dress here by Zenana Premium, I'm sorry. And it's got that cross detail in the front. So I don't know if these are meant to be worn with the leggings, but I'm gonna try them on that way for you. Let's look real quick at this jewelry. And looks like in this little bag that we've got some teeny tiny little hoops, which I am liking. The hoops they sent last month were a bit much for me. Oh, those are really neat. Let me show you. Aren't those cool? I mean, they're very simple and they're costume jewelry, but I like that they're so very simple and dainty and not obnoxious. The ones I got last month were obnoxious and I wasn't able to keep them. And we have a pendant necklace here. This has got some tassels on it. Let me let those fall. And it's a gold chain with an extender. And let me get that up to the camera for you. Kind of cool, huh? So I'm gonna try little fashion show Nadine West style coming right up for you. Blouse number one, this is the DNA Couture blouse. It's that really lightweight sheer printed blouse with the tab sleeves that are honestly falling down a little bit. It's a nylon fabric. Let me show you the back. You know what? I like it. It feels really nice. One of the things that concerns me is this cannot be worn without something underneath it, and I don't know. It's price contingent. Look at this too. This has got the buttons coming all the way down to right here, and this is not attached. I don't know that that bothers me. I've never owned a piece like that before, so put it in the comments what you think. This is that really super lightweight hoodie by Heart and Hips, and it just feels like a t-shirt. Look at that. It's got like the dolman kind of bat sleeve, so it is pretty oversized. And let me show you the back. I don't know about this hood. If I would probably never use the hood, but it's there if you ever needed a hood. And you can pull it down a little bit further in the back, so that's all right. Can you see the length of these, the leggings? The leggings are super duper soft. If I get up close, can you see this color? I just love them. I hope they're the same price as the ones they sent me last month because I thought that was a wonderful value. This is the Zenana Premium dress in black, and can you see the length? It goes just below my knee. I still have the leggings on. If I had this dress, I would never wear it with leggings. It's plenty long. It doesn't need anything else. The cool thing about this dress is it does have pockets. It's got plenty of room. Let me show you. I think I could even go one size smaller. There's an awful lot of room in here. Let me show you this neckline. There's a lot of light there. Okay, the problem I have with this dress is the color. I hate black. I own lots and lots of black. I don't need to add any more black dresses. I literally probably have 18 black dresses in my closet, and this does not wow me. I can't think of any place I would want to wear this if it was in almost any color. I don't need any beige either, or any brown, no neutrals. I need stuff to brighten me up, but it's a nice dress. If you have watched my videos before, you know I always kind of give you my final thoughts and the outfit that I am definitely going to keep, or sometimes just the outfit. That is the last one that I try on. I had to take off that black dress because I do have dogs, and I didn't want to spoil that dress for someone else. I didn't show you the necklace. You can see that necklace. Do you see these earrings? So I think it's kind of cool that they've sent me some of these hues of kind of green because I'm an Irish girl and St. Patrick's Day is coming up, so it's pretty subtle, and so it's kind of a bonus. Let's look. The turquoise sporty hoodie is $26.99. I think that's a pretty good price for this. The next item we have is, they call this the Olivia top in black. It is $25.49. I just really don't know if I need this. So please let me hear your thoughts on this blouse especially. Then we have the leggings, which are called the You Glow Girl in multicolored. They are $19.99. They feel fabulous. I am going to keep them. I've been really, really pleased with the leggings I've received from Nadine West. The black dress in black is $26.99. I wish it was a different color. It was comfortable, I would have kept it. These little earrings, they're called Hooked in Green, and they are $14.99. And although I like them, they feel like they're going to bend very easily. They're very delicate, and so I don't think they're going to hold their shape. And the necklace is called the Skipping Stone in assorted colors, and the necklace is $29.99. The necklace is the most expensive item in this bag. So I feel like I could get this at Charming Charlie's for about $12. The entire total of this bag is $144.44. Nadine West charges $9.78 for shipping. So if I purchase any item out of this box, that shipping charge goes towards my purchase. So the two items that I am thinking about purchasing, the leggings that I am wearing and this turquoise hoodie, is the total on that is $46.98. Subtract the shipping, it's $37.20 for this outfit. Please let me know your thoughts on this bag. Is it Nadine West fun? The clothing is very inexpensive, and that's one of the reasons I enjoy it. I don't stress over any of it. If I want to purchase it, it never breaks the bank. So thank you very much for joining me today. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe before you leave, because I want to see you here again. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in just a few days. God bless you.